Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add Shareit small widget in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is press and hold on screen in your Realme 5 mobile phone to see the widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by sliding to the left or to the right. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Shareit small widget. And okay guys, you all have to do is click the Shareit S or small widget to add to your home screen. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add the Shareit small widget in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.